Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Today I'm working on my fourth minimalist piece and I really think that in the end it will be a collection. So the colors that I'll be using today are dark cobalt violet hue by Pebeo, iridescent green blue by Pebeo, iridescent neon yellow by Loft, and iridescent gold by Pebeo. I'm inviting you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss a new video. So now it's time for me to let you enjoy this video and watch this new painting come to life. Thank you for being here and see you in the next video.